Okay, here we go with benchmark number 29, trigonometric functions. Our first example, we have a right triangle with an angle of 50 degrees. Directly opposite is the opposite side. Directly across the 90 is the hypotenuse of 30, and that would leave x as the adjacent side. So according to our SOHCAHTOA rule, we would want to use cosine, since that has the adjacent and hypotenuse involved. So the setup would be cosine of 50 equals x over 30. Now to get rid of the 30, we will multiply both sides by 30, and it will cancel. Now we're ready for the calculator. So 30 times the cosine of 50 would give us 19.28 inches. Example 2 gives us another right triangle with an angle of 39 degrees. Directly across from that is the opposite side of 30. The hypotenuse is across from the 90, and the third side is adjacent, which is represented by an x. According to our SOHCAHTOA rules, we would be using tangent for this example, since that's the problem that deals with opposite and adjacent. So the setup would be the tangent of 39 equals 30 over x. That's the opposite over adjacent. Still want to get rid of the fraction x, so we will multiply both sides by x. Now to get rid of the tangent of 39 and get the x by itself, we will divide by the tangent of 39. So we got x equals 30 divided by the tangent of 39. Now comes out the calculator, and just punching in 30 divided by tangent of 39 gives us 37.05 inches for x. And finally, we have example 3, a right triangle with an angle of 55 degrees, opposite side of 41 inches, a hypotenuse of x, and then this would be the adjacent side. According to our SOHCAHTOA rules, we will be using sine for this example because we have the opposite and we want the hypotenuse. So the setup is the sine of 55 degrees equals 41 over x. Multiply both sides by x to get x times the sine of 55 degrees equaling 41. We want to get the x by itself, so we'll divide by the sine of 55 and we get x equals 41 over the sine of 55. We can then go to our calculator and get x equals 50.05 inches. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.